Hello and welcome again. So, today I will show you how to create an online cloud storage account which offers 50 GB of free storage space. First, open up your browser and navigate to mega.nz. Now, click Create Account. Now, fill out your details like first name, last name, email, and password, and then click the two boxes below. I am using the Gmail account which I created on the Google account video. Now, click Create Account. So, now you have to verify your email account, so open your email account. In my case, I will open my Gmail account. Click the mail and click Verify my email. Now, enter your password. And click Confirm your account. Now, click the Free Account type, which is on the left side of the screen. Now click Skip this step. If you want to back up your recovery key, then download it from here. Recovery key is used when you forgot your password of the account. As you can see, we have successfully created a 50 GB free online storage account of Mega. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for new videos.